Alright, here's a rundown of my setup. What I worked off of was a bit vague, so hopefully if anyone has any questions, this will clear it up. Starts with a power cord from a microwave oven. I use it for the ground as well as the power. I have it hooked up to a 15 amp fuse, which I also got from the microwaves. Got a bunch of them. This is breaker cable on the other side of that fuse. Zip tied to a polypropylene base. Hooked up to a 15 amp switch, which I labeled for safety because it wasn't labeled to begin with. You hook this up to here, and it goes out to each transformer. Same side. Negative. This doesn't connect to anything on the other side. It just wraps around because it's a bit long. My switch box is also screwed to the base, polypropylene base. Transformers, they're all screwed to the base. Capacitors are free, but their cord is zip tied to the base. This one's just free. It's not going anywhere anyway. You don't need these wires. You don't need these. We're not using them, so just get them out of the way, tuck them in, don't sweat it. And then high voltage out goes to the base of the second transformer. Just like that. And high voltage out of the second transformer goes to your microwave oven capacitors. Hook them up just like that. Some of these capacitors have internal bleeder resistors. That's a good thing. And those are, all these splices are all soldered and taped. I have a chicken stick made of polypropylene. I drill a hole in the end. Strip the wires a few inches, because if you don't, you will light the jacket on fire. And I still could light the jacket on fire, but it's far enough that I would have to really be trying to do that. It might just melt if you stripped it that far. I just went a bit farther, just because then I don't have to deal with it at all. The ballast transformer, you short out the primary. I just left the wires that were on there, and then spliced them together. Then the secondary out connects to the base plate on the second transformer also. And this length of wire is connected to the base plate on the ballast transformer. It's pretty simple, straight to the point. Obviously I didn't just put some screws into the base. I had to drill the holes first, so take your time, make sure you do a good setup. And also, safety is important. Use goggles. Even if the arcs don't hurt your eyes, they're damaging your eyes. Even if it looks really awesome, which it does. Alright. I don't know if you can hear that. That means they're working. Alright. Goggles. These are my goggles. You can see me and my phone, which is a Droid X, of course. Awesome, right? I get the feeling this will make a very good Jacob's ladder. The more you do this, the hotter these are going to get. They will get really hot. I've melted the end of the solid core wire connected to the ballast. As you can see, the tip's melted, so. And I can't remember if I said it, but the second transformer on mine gets really hot after a while and starts smoking or something. So just keep an eye on all your components and don't fuse your shit together. Yep, see? Alright, and that's it. So, happy building.